Why? What happened?
Lock that door. Get ready to walk through. We got a baby.
Is that where he was shooting?
Both spots.
There's guns at both spots. So that's our shooter, okay.
Josh, what do we got?
Okay, we got one suspect down, 419 inside. This is clear.
No.
This is clear.
Okay, what was the shots fired in here?
Well, they did an explosive bullet breach. It was
We are facing the one. We are facing the one. Come up here. Go ahead, Todd.
Yeah, he has an intricate camera system set up out to this, so he knew when officers were coming down the hallway.
His last
I mean, this one is by scoping it like that.
There's probably there's a whole suitcase full of loaded AK mags.
I didn't turn my goddamn camera on.
Mine was on. It got everything you did.
Dude, I counted 13 long guns in here.
Oh yeah, there's a scope on my head.
There's one right over here by the window that he was setting up with.